Lily, you are such an ugly, worthless child. Who even came up with you? Neither of us have blonde hair or are white, and then you exist.
Oh ho 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 ho, I'm just a human being with emotions and feelings and totally not a two-dimensional cartoon character. You should be nicer to your children, bitch.
Oh ho 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 ho, that's the final straw. No one calls me a bitch except for dog tamers. Now I am going to get you good for this. Hey, I snuck into Lily's room and stole all of her clothes. Now I am going to wash them for her. Hee. Hee, that will get that skank bitch good. She is going to smell like shit forever and she will have no friends at school. Everyone will bully her and Callio will lick her.
Oh man, I am so excited to put on new clothes after sleeping in my clothes and heels like a normal human being. Wow, I smell like shit. I am going to attract the local Callias in no time.
Lily, how dare you stink like shit and attract all the Callias? They are breaking down the doors to see you. That's fucking it. You're grounded for 78,423 94 32,423 47,983 07413097430 T2 074,208,530,940,107,513,974 21,709,214 years of dark beads.